How to perform a manual data sync using the Sonicu Mobile App. The first step is to select the settings gear in the bottom right hand corner and then selecting scan for Sonishield meters or scan for S-series meters. Use the search bar at the top to find the device by typing in the last 4 digits of the serial number. Once you select it, it will begin reading the meter, and once connected, you will want to scroll down and select Manual Data Sync. On the next page, you'll want to select Pick a Date, and then scroll to the respective month and year you want to retrieve the data from. Select Retrieve Data Gaps, and a list of all possible dates with missing data will appear. Select Upload Data Files, and the process will begin. This process can take up to a couple of minutes depending on how much data you are trying to retrieve. Once completed, it will show you a list of successful data uploads, and you can go check the data graph of the point you were trying to retrieve the data from to see if there was a successful backfill indicated by a yellow bar at the top of the screen.